Hello everyone, my name is Edward Murray and this is my video review of Project 4 of AOC 2, term 1307. So this week we kind of worked with a lot of the same elements from our project last week, but we had to add in some new things, some gesture recognizers in order to switch between the views and save the event data. And then we also got rid of the custom delegate that we used last week to pass data and learned about using singletons. We also learned about a couple of other gestures, the tap gesture, which we didn't have to incorporate in the project this week, as well as some other things that we didn't have to incorporate in the app, but were pretty cool to play around with. So let's get to the app. Um, I have my app open here. Uh, it's already got something in it. It's a saved event from me testing. But you can see here it's a little different. Instead of a button that opens up a second view, we have a swipe button, and then there's a save button at the top, which saves the default user data. So if you come down here, you can see if we swipe to the right, it pops up the add event view. You see left swipe at the top to close it. If you try to close it, it'll pop up an error, save error, please enter an event description. So you hit OK, come over here, we'll put in a dentist appointment. I hit the close keyboard button and then come down here. You can see this week I was actually able to implement the minimum date range, which I was having a problem with last week. You try to select a date before today, it doesn't let you, it just goes right back to today. So we'll just go ahead and put this August 6th at, 7:15 p.m. And then now if we swipe to close, it'll save it, and you can see there it appends it right underneath the one that's already there. We can come up here to the save button, hit the save button, close this out, go ahead and kill the app. And then when we reopen it, both of our events are still there because of the save to the default user defaults. And that's pretty much it. This week was actually pretty fun, kind of playing around with a lot of the new gestures and user defaults and learning about file manager and settings and things of that nature. Only ran into a couple of things. This singleton was took a little bit more time to kind of wrap my head around and get working. Spent a good amount of time on that, but in the end, it worked out good. I think did a pretty decent job. Hopefully, everybody else had a good time, and see you guys next month.